Here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, the colder than average temperatures linger, but we're slowly going to ease out of this over the next couple of days. In fact, we're forecasting 43 by Sunday afternoon. That'll feel pretty good. And normally one of the colder spots up in the northern part of the state, North Scituate, with clear skies and temperatures that are dropping through the 20s. Some spots actually starting off around 8-9 degrees this morning. In fact, down to 12 this morning in Smithfield, 16 the low temp in Providence, 18-19 degrees along the coastline. And we do have similar temperatures coming up for tonight. Not so much right now, but much later tonight and towards daybreak. Currently 23 in Providence, actually 23 in Smithfield, 28 in Providence, and upper 20s to around 31 in Wesley. So obviously a cold night tonight. Heading out, extra coat, extra heavy coat, hat, gloves, the works, but at least it's dry with no precipitation, no rain or snow. So another cold night, but moderating temperatures as early as tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon, not quite as frigid. I wouldn't call it warm, but it's a little better by Sunday. We'll get temperatures reaching around 43, 44 degrees. And Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, still looking pretty good. We'll show you that in the 7-day forecast. Satellite and radar composite, skies are clear. We are quiet. All of New England looking pretty good. And when you widen the view, you know, the eastern half of the country, now you do see some extra clouds, but there's really not much in the way of organized precipitation. So some of these clouds, and this is actually in response to some milder air trying to work in, some of these clouds will work in tomorrow afternoon. So we'll start off with some sunshine, some extra clouds in the afternoon, but otherwise dry. So the purple area represents the core of the cold air, but it's shrinking and it's starting to lift more up back into Canada. And you can see, well, it's not quite as cold across the central plains. In fact, these temperatures are actually pretty nice for mid to late December. And some of that air headed our way by the weekend. All right, let's get in real close and take a look at the forecast hour by hour through the overnight. Clear skies as temperatures drop down to the teens by around 8 o'clock in the morning, upper teens to lower 20s. Sunshine in the morning. Note the few extra clouds during the afternoon, but no precipitation. Temps topping out at around 35. Tomorrow evening at around 6 o'clock, we are partly cloudy, then clearing later tomorrow night. Chilly, but not as cold as the last couple of nights. Tomorrow morning, sunny start, very cold early, about 15 to 20 to start the day. And then during the afternoon hours, not bad. Some extra clouds by mid-afternoon, around 35, but we continue with the dry conditions. All right, 7-day forecast. Talk about the absence of any precipitation next 6 days. And we talked about the Patriots game, a little different this time around. It's on a Saturday, and no weather issues. I mean, we're not talking frigid. I mean, it's chilly, but I mean, certainly there's been games a lot colder than this. Partly cloudy skies. Sunday looking okay. Christmas Eve still dry, 44. And Christmas Day, all along we've been talking about a blend of both clouds and sunshine. Cool, but not real cold in the upper 30s to lower 40s. And Christmas Eve, Tuesday, looking okay. Next chance for precipitation not until Friday of next week. So as far as a white Christmas, we don't have any snowstorms there, but a quiet Christmas is okay. A green one's okay. A lot of people traveling, things going on and stuff like that. So at least the weather will cooperate, and the temperature is finally easing over the next several days.
We were talking about it last night. There will be so many people on the roads and the skies. It's a good thing to have a quiet Christmas.
Really, like the eastern half of the country.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. All right, thanks, Tony.